Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, October 13th. Looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ. So after a very big liquidation break again in H period, after another bond auction which we saw on Tuesday, but that one kind of balanced out and held the trend day up. Yesterday's kept going and we formed the trend day down. So we all go out with trend days down from yesterday. ES and NQ are still holding trend days up from the previous rally up. So to me, here's our at least line in the sand early. Where this market spiked from here is very important. So that's right around the 43.50 level, and that's that level that we've been shown on the SPY chart, which is the bottom of that upper balance that the bulls did a really good job getting into so far this week. Well, there's a chance to come back and test that again. Right, I'm still leaning towards the bulls holding and maybe continuing to try to get into that upper balance and make its headway up to highs. However, this is a very important level to me. This will be my line in the sand for today and going forward, at least early next week, to see if we test this, if we get below it, do we get acceptance below it. So that's a very important level to me. As far as what's happening right now, all the overnight, okay, has been in the lower distribution. We got into the single prints, okay, but never into the upper distribution. Again, those single prints don't get filled until regular trading hours. So right off the bat, sellers are still pushing here. We have a 16 wide overnight pocket, 84.25. The overnight has been in the lower distribution. We have not gotten below yesterday's low. NQ, same thing. They got closer to yesterday's low. 3-day balance for us. We come out of this to the downside today, and the market would be down. We come out of it to the upside and take out Wednesday's high, we come out of it up. So a lot still on the table here. Balance rules will come into effect, okay, probably today. Righty, don't forget, Righty took back all their uptrend days and now have 2 in a row to the downside. So we've all done the same thing in the overnight. Play a little bit into the single prints, but mostly in the lower distribution. So game plan for this morning, again, we talk early. Single prints start right above M. That's exactly half back from yesterday. You have a wide overnight POC. It depends on if you want to start a short at that level or M's high, or be a little more patient to see if they front run the overnight high. I would probably be a little more patient, because if I short 84 and say 87, the overnight high still isn't until 91.75. So can I miss a short if I don't do it here? Yes, but I'll probably be more patient. And the same on the downside. You could front run the overnight low. There is a bunch of heat still down to yesterday's low, almost 10 full points. But that would be the important level as you'd be coming out of balance to the downside. All early plays, you'd be getting up to the date minute updates as this market's painting its picture. And then on the chart, so here's that very important level we've been talking about, right here, the week of June 12th. So 4 months ago, that low, 430.17. We're trading above it by $3.50 right now. They certainly want to hold it, okay, and keep this in balance. The daily, again, 3-day balance, you like to come out of this balance to the upside and test the 50. You come out of it to the downside, you'll be below the 20 and back to bear on the daily. Good luck trading today. Thanks for the likes and subscribing, and we'll recap the day and the week at 4 p.m.